This video is also available in Urdu. Please find the link in the description. In this video, we are going for detailed discussion about Oracle free certifications. There are 6 certification exams and trainings which Oracle offers for free. Today we are going to check video training and I will give my overview on those trainings and certifications. Whether those certifications are only for professionals or beginners, are there any dependencies and prerequisites of those certifications or not? Or any practical experience or any type of practice need to pass exams, or only videos and theory material will be enough? First of all, open your web browser. I am using Google Chrome, you can use any. After open web browser, go to Oracle RAM's website. I will put this link in the description, you can easily find it. Point to be noted that these certifications exams and their trainings are free until 15th of May. At the bottom of Oracle RAM's page, there is a list of certifications. These certifications are free. Now we will discuss them one by one in detail. The first one is Oracle Autonomous Database Specialist 2019 certification. We have to click on this link to open Oracle Learn website for video training material. The very first module, titled Getting Started Working with Oracle Autonomous Database, is the link to the video training material. One thing to note, that time duration is also written over this module, which is 2 hours 54 minutes, approximately 3 hours. When we click on this module, the video training material will appear on your screens and we are going to follow same procedure for rest of the videos. I mean certifications. There are 6 sections and total of 6 videos. This certification is for Oracle DBA because for passing this exam you must have knowledge of Oracle traditional database, that how they clone and migrate. You must know about all these technicalities because in this video training there is a section of our migration of on-prem database to autonomous database through various methods. They also discuss some core features of autonomous database like self-securing, self-repairing and self-driving. Now we have OCI Foundation Associate. Its duration is about 3 hours 32 minutes. Video training material comprises of 4 sections and total of 10 videos. It's start from Cloud Basic, which is standard for all cloud services. For example, what are availability domains, what are regions and fault domains, etc. It's also about OCI core services and what's Oracle offering its customers, how they maintain security of our data and what are responsibilities. Pricing and billing is also an important part in compliance certifications. Whoever thinking about attempting this paper, they must have practical experience, because I'm sharing a personal experience as I have cleared these certifications. So that's why I'm telling that if you are thinking that you will pass this only by watching video lecture, so it will not work like that. Now we have our third certification, which is OCI Operations, and it is associate level certification. Its duration is 5 hours 48 minutes and it comprises of 4 sections and total of 21 videos. Now the fourth one is OCI Developer. Its duration is about 7 hours 24 minutes and comprises of 5 sections and total of 28 videos. Now we have OCI Architecture and its duration is 9 hours 39 minutes. It comprises of 11 sections and total of 51 videos. It's an advanced version of OCI Foundations because they have discussed those concepts in depth, which you had already seen in OCI Foundations before. At last we have OCI Architecture again, but this time it is professional, which means it is advanced version of OCI Architecture Associate. Its duration is 16 hours 26 minutes. It comprises of 6 sections and total of 80 videos. So this is the ending of our video about Oracle free certifications. Now we will meet in next video with some great content. Take care of yourself and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.